So I'm still in Łódź. I thought I'd hang around and have a look around for some cool street murals because it's supposed to be the street mural capital of Europe here, and I only saw a few yesterday. So anyway, on my travels I've found this one here. Yeah, music hostel was cool. Cyrus, the guy that runs it, is a cool guy. There wasn't a lot of English speaking people in there. There was only the French guy, Felix, and the Swedish guy, Sebastian, I could communicate with, but at least there was two of them. Łódź has been alright. It's more of a kind of normal Polish town rather than a touristy place like Krakow. I'm just trying to find some other cool things to look at before I go get my bus to Wrocław. Like this beautiful looking church over here. All this cool mural over here. There's another nice park here as well, and I believe that's the main train station over there. Just need to try and catch some more of these street murals before I leave.
Not notorious.
Just been in there for breakfast, was nice. Had the granola and a coffee and a toasted sandwich. But I'm off, I've got to leave Łódź. Now I'm off to the bus station, stroke train station, to see if I can get a bus or a train to Wrocław. We're off back to Wrocław. May take 3 or 4 hours, I'm not sure. The bus and train station is up this way, so that's it. It's been too short. I'm sure there's lots of things in Łódź I haven't discovered yet, but I'll have to come back another time. That was it. Thank you, Łódź. I enjoyed it. See you next time. There's that guy again. So, from Łódź. Peace. Łódź. Łódź. Łódź! Łódź! Łódź!